How's it, Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel? Today we're going to be talking about the King of Cups. Alright, so before we get started, subscribe to our channel, it's free, and make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. The King of Cups sits on a large stone throne and wears a blue tunic and a gold cape, a symbol of his authority and status. A small fish amulet hangs around his neck, symbolizing his creativity. In his right hand, he holds a cup representing the emotions, and his left has a scepter showing power and control. Unlike the other cup court cards, he doesn't look at the cup and seems to be focused elsewhere. Perhaps he already has mastered his emotional self and doesn't need to concentrate as hard on this facet of himself. The King of Cup appears to be floating on a granite block in the middle of a turbulent sea. Behind him on his right, a fish jumps out of the ocean, while on the left, a ship sails steadily despite the waves. Alright, these images show that this king stays calm and balanced even in turbulent conditions, and has learned how to stay open to his emotions and unconscious impulses without being overwhelmed by them. He keeps power and control while balancing his feelings. The King of Cups. All cups denote feelings and emotions. Element of water, zodiac sign of Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. The King of Cups represents mastery over realms of emotion, creativity, and the unconscious. He is in control of his feelings and draws upon his emotional maturity and stability to help him navigate challenges confronting him. He steers clear of drama, choosing an emotionally balanced and calm approach. He has light brown hair and blue or hazel colored eyes. Artistically inclined, emotional, creative, and aloof. Professions: doctor, teacher, lawyer, or clergy member. Keywords: wise, honest, idealistic, moody, artistically inclined, creative, aloof, intelligence, and science. Now, here are the Celtic cross positions as you see them there. The key position number 1 and flag position number 2. Now, we've made a video called the Celtic cross. If you look on the top right hand corner of this video, you'll see suggested videos. I suggest you go watch that video first before we carry on. It'll help you understand what we're going to talk about now. Celtic cross position. Key position number 1, situation. A. Understanding of the emotions involved gives you more of a choice than you have actually recognized. B. You remain level-headed. C. You are caught up in your own feelings of importance and fail to acknowledge the needs of others in the situation. Okay, so flag position number 2, challenge A. Stop ignoring or repressing your emotions. Instead, value them and become their ruler. B. Examine what wrong feelings, such as jealousy or envy, may cloud your understanding of the issue. And C. You may be called up to give wise and loving counsel to another, but take care that your own strong feelings don't get in the way. Question A. Has an emotion run its course and no longer operates in your life? B. Are you detached and unfocused, not putting your energies to the task at hand? And C. What feelings are you keeping under control? Okay, so the King of Cups in the upright position and the King of Cups in the reverse position. In other words, upside down. The King of Cups suggests be firm in your personal boundaries. State what is and is not acceptable on an emotional level. You are level-headed and in control of your emotions. Stay true to your emotions and feelings and do not allow others to steer you off course. You have a fatherly energy, and as a Cups card, you bring your emotional self to the forefront. You are compassionate towards others, creating strong bonds and relationships based on patience and understanding. The King of Cups embodies the perfect balance between the executive and the heart. Not only are you able to assess a situation logically, but you can also draw upon your intuition and understanding of human interactions. As a leader, you care as much about achieving your goals as you do about making sure everyone is happy and engaged along the way. If you sense that logic and emotion are out of balance, draw on the energy of this king to realign yourself. King of Cups in the reverse position. The reverse of the King of Cups indicates that you are focusing your attention on your innermost feelings. You're discovering the emotions stored in your subconscious mind and how these emotions affect you, and may be more prone to emotional upset and drama over small things that have gone wrong. If this resonates, seek to understand the root cause of your emotions and bring your conscious awareness to the forefront of what kind of impact they are having on your life. Pay attention to your emotional balance and find your place of calm and compassion. Okay, so other people may trigger these emotional responses in you, but it's up to you to stay in control. At worst, it could represent someone who is vindictive and has a talent for being able to punish others through emotional manipulation. This person uses emotional blackmail to get their way and to push their personal agenda. This leaves you feeling uncertain about yourself, as if you are the problem, not them. This only leads to undeserved emotional stability within you. If this sounds like someone you've met in the past, you still have work to do in releasing yourself from their controlling forces. Okay, so that's it for the King of Cups. Our next video is going to be on the Ace of Wands, as you see in front of you. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and once again subscribe to our channel. It's free. And make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Alright, until our next video on the Ace of Wands, this is Sean from Mal's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Good day on you.